Now page number 218, first example. To construct a triangle similar to the given triangle ABC with its sides equal to 3 by 4 of corresponding sides of triangle ABC. That is, the scale factor is 3 by 4. A proper fraction. Okay. Now, how to construct a triangle similar to that one, that given triangle, and scale factor is 3 by 4. 3 by 4, we know that 3 by 4 numerator is less than the denominator. That means the triangle to be constructed will be less than the given triangle. So let us draw a triangle first. Without measurement we are drawing, a rough figure only we are drawing. So one example they have given. So one triangle let us draw. So let us name that one ABC. Okay. Now you are going to draw a triangle whose size is 3 by 4 of this triangle. That means a smaller triangle than this one. Okay, scale factor is 3 by 4. For that we have to construct a 60-degree angle here in this point. So how to construct 60-degree angle, that we know. The same measurement without changing you have to take and draw this. You are getting a 60-degree angle. You have to construct this one using scale and compass only. Now look at this one. Here the bigger number is 4. So you have to divide this line segment into 4 parts. So smaller parts or bigger part, whatever it is, that you can take. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts. Okay. Now let us mark that one as A1, A2, A3 and A4. Now you have to join this last point to the next point of the triangle. Okay. Now A4 is joined to B. Now you have to construct same angle in A3 also. So how to construct that one? So take a measurement, draw this one, the same measurement without changing you can draw here also. Now take this one, take this same measurement and cut it from here, this point. So you will get, then join that to the triangle. Now in this point the same angle, this angle B, you have to construct here. The same way draw a arc with this one also, draw the same arc. Then take this measurement to construct the same angle. How to construct the same angle, last year we have learned. So take that one and cut it. Now join that to a point on the other side. So this one is our B dash and this one our C dash. Now our required triangle is A, B dash, C. So understood? Our required triangle is A, B dash, C. So look at this one. A, B dash, C is smaller than A, B, C. No, that is 3/4 part of A, B, C. So let us discuss two questions based on this from exercise 11.1. The second question, construct a triangle of sides 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, then 6 centimeter. Then a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2/3 of the corresponding sides of first triangle. So first let us draw the triangle with given measurement. So 4 centimeter, first let us take 4 centimeter here. Now 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Take in the compass, then draw arc of 5 centimeter, then 6 centimeter from here. So our triangle is this one. Triangle is this one. Let us mark that one, PQR. Name is not given, so you can give any name, XYZ, ABC, PQR, whatever it is. So our triangle is this one. So you have to draw a triangle whose scale factor is 2/3. So greater number is 3. First construct a acute angle, that is 60 degree on P downwards. Now join that one. Now divide this one into 3 parts. Now join that to third part. You have to join to the next one. So P1, P2, P3. Now here the whatever angle comes, the same you have to construct here also. So first draw this one the same way. You have to draw, take the measurement here, then draw this one. Mark that, then join this to the triangle so that it will be parallel to this one, and same angle you will get here also. Now measure this angle, the same angle you have to construct here. So first mark here the same without changing, mark here, take the measurement, cut it, from that point so here this one is R dash and Q dash. So Q dash R dash P, here Q is the required triangle. Okay. So fifth one, draw a triangle with sides BC A 6 cm, AB 5 and angle ABC equal to 60. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 3 by 4 of the corresponding sides of triangle. So let us first make that triangle. So one side is 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter. Name is given BC. Then AB is equal to 5 centimeter, angle B is equal to 60. So let us construct angle B is equal to 60 here. So here draw an arc without changing draw another arc, it will be 60 degree. So join that one, it will be angle B angle will be 60. Then AB is equal to 5 centimeters. So take it in the compass 5 centimeter. So A will be here. Okay. Now join that one. Our triangle is this ABC. Now you are asked to draw a triangle that is scale factor is given 3 by 4 of this size. So draw an angle 60 in the downwards of B. Now divide it into 4 parts. This one you can take any measurement. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let us mark that one as B1, B2, B3 and B4. Let us join that to C. Now construct B4 angle, this one on B3. So draw an arc, the same arc on B3 you have to draw. Then take this measurement, cut it. So it will be the same angle here also. Now see, whatever angle is there in the C, that same angle you have to construct here. Again draw an arc here without changing, draw on this point also an arc, then take this measurement, so draw here. Now join that point to the next side of the triangle. So here we can mark A dash and this one C dash. So our required triangle is A dash, C dash, A dash, B and C dash. So this way you have to draw. If the scale factor is a proper fraction, the next one if it is a improper fraction, then in the next video we will discuss.